Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next set of stretches is called the Cobra Stretch or the MacKenzie stretch for disc injury. What I'm going to have you do is lay down on the ground with your hands under your shoulders and lift up. As long as you feel comfortable in that position, you can push up a little further, creating extension in your spine. What this does is helps push the disc forward and take pressure off the sciatic nerve and the joints of your low spine. Keep breathing through this exercise. Good job, D.
Thanks for watching. My name is Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.